Fittings Metal Collection's Bistro shelving units are fully customizable, allowing you to create the shelving you need based on your dimensions. We have many different types of installations of Bistro shelving: wall mount, no rear vertical, wall to ceiling mount, no rear vertical, ceiling mount, floor or counter to ceiling mount, floor or counter to wall mount, floor or counter to wall mount, no rear vertical. When receiving your Bistro shelving, assembly is required. Glass shelving is not included, but is available for purchase on our website at fittingscollection.com. We recommend installing the vertical uprights 1.5 inches less than the width of the horizontal rail on both sides, which will allow your glass to rest on the unit. In this example, we need to order a Bistro wall shelf that is 82 inches high and 32 inches wide with 3 shelves. When ordering your Bistro unit, you will start by clicking on the first drop-down to specify the number of shelves and overall height of the unit. Note: select the number of shelves that fits between the range of your desired height. Once you have chosen your number of shelves, you will click the second drop-down menu and choose the width of the unit, which will determine the number of bays. The width of the unit will determine the number of bays you need. Bays add extra support for the glass shelves, so the more bays you have, the more support you have. Once you have selected both the number of shelves and the number of bays, you will need to enter the exact dimensions for the height and width in the text fields. Since each of our Bistro units are different, please see diagrams listed in the photos section to determine the correct unit depth. The max depth for the glass shelf is 18 inches. Enter your specified depth, which is the depth of the finished shelves, in the text field. Once all fields are complete, select your finish and adjust quantities if applicable.